Hello friends, today I'm going to be making my mom's vinegar deviled eggs. So I'm going to be making some retro recipes, throughout, down the road, whatever. And most of them are going to be my mom's handwritten recipes. Now this one, she didn't have it written down. Anything that she made a lot, she never wrote down. So another thing that she always didn't do was write the quantities down. So I'm going to be figuring that out as I make it. So what we have here, hard-boiled eggs. I have 8 of them. White vinegar, and I'll let you know how much I use after I get it figured out. And black pepper. So let's begin. All right, so the eggs are peeled. They turned out great. I boiled them for 10 minutes and then took them off the heat, put a lid on them and let them sit in the hot water for 10 minutes and then rinsed them in cold water. So as you know, most people, when they do deviled eggs, they cut their eggs lengthwise like this. My mom didn't do that, so we'll be cutting them the way she did. And she holds it like this, and then she cuts them in half this way. And then we'll just go ahead and put the yolks in a bowl. And take your fork and then just smash them down. All right, so it's pretty well smushed down. And since I don't know how much vinegar to add, I'm just going to be doing 1 tablespoon at a time. You want to have a nice smooth consistency, and you also want to sit there and think about how tangy that you want it to be. And I'll go ahead and keep track of how many I'm doing of these, and I will let you know in the description box below. All right, so the tanginess to me is just about right. And I added 6 tablespoons to 8 egg yolks. So after you get it all mixed up, and it looks pretty good, go ahead and add pepper to taste. Now you're either going to love these eggs or absolutely hate them. I don't think there's any really in between. This brings me back to my childhood. When I got married, my husband didn't like these, so I had to make them with the mustard and the mayonnaise. But I always look forward to my mom's vinegar deviled eggs. All right, so we'll go ahead and fill the eggs up. All right, so just take your egg and a spoonful of the egg yolk and put them in there and fill them completely. So you could go ahead and put paprika on the top. My mom never did. Sometimes she would put more black pepper on there. I think she used a little bit more vinegar than I just did because she always had some of the filling left and I barely had enough. So I don't think my husband has ever tried this before, so he's either going to love it or he's going to hate it. Let's go ahead and get him to do a taste test.
They're different, and I have to kind of say I just took a drink of an orange flavored drink. So let me grab one more bite of this. It's got a little bit of a bite to it. I guess, not sure. And these, you said you did something different to these?
Vinegar and black pepper.
Vinegar and black pepper. I don't know. I think I'm more of a traditional deviled egg person. That little bite, I assume is coming from the vinegar. They're not bad, but I think I'm more of a traditional deviled egg person.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.